This is Common Injection Molding Defects Part 1, and today we're looking at this part. Pause the video now to analyze this part to see if you can spot the defect, and leave your guess down in the comments on what type of defect you think this part has, and also check out the full series to see how many different types of defects you can spot. But if we zoom in, it becomes a little bit more obvious what the issue is here. What you're seeing is known as flash, which is simply when a thin layer of plastic flows outside of the mold cavity, usually along the parting line where the two halves of the mold are pressed together. Flash can also appear along ejector pins and really anywhere that you have metal on metal contact. Now, when this thin layer of plastic then cools, it's going to remain attached to the part and create not only an undesirable aesthetic, but can alter the function of the part depending on its end use. Flash can be carefully trimmed and removed after the fact, but this increases labor and can even cause mold damage over long periods of time, which ultimately means a higher cost. So the best way to eliminate flash is by adjusting the injection molding process, including the pressure being used to press the two halves of the mold together, or by lowering the melt or mold temperature to improve the material flow. Flash can also be caused by a lower quality or worn down mold that no longer fits well at the parting line. So Crescent remedies this by having our in-house mold maintenance department just a few feet away from our production floor, allowing us to regularly clean and maintain our molds before this sort of thing becomes a big problem. You can check out our full video on common injection molding defects here and subscribe for more content just like this, but